Hi, this is Dr. Aarti Bakshi. Welcome to Learning Skills for Life. And we're working on Grade 2, Chapter 5. I can do it. Goal setting is something which is an achievable step-by-step method. It happened with Leena, who was caught daydreaming. She was sitting in her class and thinking about her beautiful dog at home. She says, I love my puppy. And in the meantime, she did not catch what the teacher was teaching in class. The teacher was concerned. She says, Leena, there are certain essential agreements we follow in class, offline or online. And one of the main things to do is focus on what your teacher is speaking. There are others like raising your hand before speaking. And of course, there are others like do not interrupt other children while they are speaking. So being a good listener. Leena also realized that there was a concern with focus. So guess what she did? Mindfulness, focus exercises like blowing bubbles and concentrating on just what was being spoken. So let's go on Leena's journey and find out how she became from a daydreamer to an observant student in her class. Let's go on this learning journey. Welcome aboard.